Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Minutes, where we explore the text changing our world. I am Putri and I'm here with Hesi, Andini and Desha. We are both semester students and today we're diving into artificial intelligence, something that's literally everywhere in our lives.
Hi guys, I'm Messi. Honestly, when I first heard about AI, I thought it was just a robot in movies. But now I realize we use it every single day without even thinking about it.
Hello, I'm Anthony. What amazes me is how AI helps us with assessment to get what to watch on Netflix and when choose our social media feeds. It's like having an invisible helper everywhere.
And I'm Desha. We're probably the first generation to grow up with AI as normal part of our education. It's exciting, but also makes you think, right?
Basically, today we'll explore what AI actually is, how it affects you as student, the benefits and challenges, and what the future looks like. So let's start with the base. Hesi, how do you explain AI to someone who knows nothing about it?
I usually say it like teaching computer to think and learn like humans, but way faster. You know how we recognize our friend's face? AI can do with thousands of faces in seconds.
I think of it as super smart pattern recognition. It looks at tons of data and finds connection we might miss. Like how Instagram knows exactly what post you want to see.
And there are different levels, right? The AI we use daily, like Google Translate or Siri, versus the super advanced AI from sci-fi movie that doesn't exist yet.
So what AI tool are we actually using as student?
ChatGPT for brainstorming, remotely for grammar checking, Google Scholar for finding research paper.
Duolingo for language learning. It's scary how well it knows when I'm about to forget a word.
Our phones are full of AI too. Face unlock, photo organization, keyboard prediction. We're surrounded by it, but don't notice because it works so smoothly.
Let's talk about AI in education. How is it changing of how we learn and study?
It's been huge for me. When I'm stuck on programming concept, I ask ChatGPT to explain it different ways until I understand. Like having a 24/7 tutor that never get impatient.
But we need to be smart about it. Our professor know about AI detection now. I use it to understand concepts better, not to do homework for me.
What about reach? How has AI changed information gathering?
Instead of spending hours going through hundreds of papers, AI helped me find relevant sources quickly. But I always double check because AI can sometimes give wrong information.
Yes, AI hallucinations are real. I once asked ChatGPT about our university stat, and it gave me completely fake number that sounded totally believable. Always fact check, guys.
Are you using AI for creative project?
I've tried AI art generators for presentation. It's fun, but I always add my own creative touch to make it truly personal and original.
I use it for creative writing, not to write for me, but to write blog or explore different narrative approach. It's like having a brainstorming partner who will available 24/7.
GitHub Copilot has been amazing for learning programming language. It explains code syntax and help me understand different approaches to solving problems.
How do you balance using these tools with developing our own skills?
Use AI as a learning aid, not a replacement. I'll ask AI to explain something, then practice applying it myself without any assistance.
And we should learn how AI actually works. Understanding the technology makes us more responsible user and help us spot its limitation.
The key is using AI to enhance our learning process, not replace our thinking. It should make us better, but more informed student, not dependent on ones.
Let's explore both sides. What exactly you want about AI benefits?
Healthcare innovation are incredible. AI can detect diseases like cancer earlier than doctors sometimes. Imagine how many lives could be saved with early detection technology.
Accessibility is huge too. Voice recognition helps people who can type. Real-time translation breaks language barrier, and AI tutor can adapt to different learning styles and needs.
For our future career, AI is creating entirely new job opportunities that did not exist before. AI trainers from engineer AI ethicists is opening up new career paths.
How will AI change the job market for you?
Some jobs will disappear, others will be created. The key is developing skills that complement AI, not compete with it, like creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving.
Interdisciplinary skills will be crucial. Being able to collaborate effectively with AI in whatever field we choose will probably become an essential skill.
AI is also democratizing access to sophisticated tools. Small businesses can afford effective analysis. Students get personalized tutoring, and researchers can process data that will take years manually.
No, to be honest, what worries you most?
Privacy is my biggest concern. AI system know our browsing habits, conversation, and preferences. Sometimes it feels like our device knows better than we know ourselves.
Job displacement is really concerning. My dad worry about AI automating his accounting work. It's not just normal labor anymore. AI is affecting professional jobs too.
Bias in AI system in frightening science. AI learn from human created data. It can amplify our exciting prejudice. There have been documented cases of bias hiring and landing decision.
What about misinformation and fake content?
Deepfakes are getting terrifyingly sophisticated. AI can now generate fake news, articles, and videos that are almost impossible to distinguish from real content.
Social media algorithms already create echo chambers by showing up content we agree with. AI might make this worse by reinforcing our existing beliefs and biases.
protect ourselves and stay improvement.
We need to become more AI literate, understanding how the system will help us identify potential problems and use them more responsibly.
We should advocate for transparency and ethical AI regulation as users and future professionals. Our voice matters in shaping AI development policies.
Critical thinking skills are more important than ever. We need to question information source, verify claims, and consider the motivation behind different AI systems.
Looking ahead, where do you see AI going and how should we prepare?
AI will integrate even more into daily life, but hopefully with better transparency and user control. We might have AI assistants that truly understand context and can help across different aspects of our life.
For us, future professionals, developing complementary skills is crucial. Creativity, emotional intelligence, ethical listening, and complex problem solving will become increasingly valuable in an AI-driven world.
We need to stay actively involved in AI policy discussion. As digital native, we understand the potential and risk better than older generation. Our perspective is essential for responsible AI development.
What advice do you have for students feeling overwhelmed by AI development?
Start small and be practical. Experiment with AI tools in your studies, but always think critically about the result. Learn about AI to become an informed user, not necessarily a technical expert.
Remember that AI is created by humans, so it's not magic or inequitable. We have little influence over how it develops and how we choose to integrate it into our life and work.
Stay curious but maintain healthy skepticism. Embrace the new benefit while staying aware of potential risks. Always keep human element like empathy, creativity, and critical thinking at the center of everything you do.
What unique role do you think our generation will play in AI future?
We're the bright generation. We remember life before smartphone but grew up with digital technology. This gives us a unique perspective to with responsible AI development.
We are also the ones who live with AI decisions. The voices made about AI regulation and development today will shape our entire careers and personal life.
I believe we have a responsibility to ensure AI benefits everyone, not just tech companies or locally nations. We can push for more equitable and inclusive AI development.
This has been short and insightful discussion. To summarize, AI is transforming our work with incredible opportunities and rich challenge and thoughtful and attention.
The main thing for me is that we are not just AI users, we are participants in shaping how it develops.
As students and future leaders, we can guide AI toward positive outcomes while addressing the risks.
The future of AI isn't set in stone. It's up to us to help steer in the right direction.
Thank you, Hesi, Aline, and Desha, for this great conversation, and thanks to everyone watching. Keep exploring, keep questioning, keep learning from digital minds. This is Putri signing off.
Goodbye,